This is question 21 from the test review. Again, we have a function. We're going to use the chain rule in this case. So we have an inner function and we have an outer function. And in this case, we're going to use the chain rule one more time. As a reminder, if you have g of x is a function that is equal to something raised to the n power, let's say y raised to the n power, to find the derivative of g prime of x is equal to, we bring the n down times what's inside raised to the n minus 1 times the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. So that's what we're going to follow. So in this case, we have the function f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 6 all to the third power. So that means f prime of x is equal to, the 3 comes down, what's inside remains the same, plus 2x plus 6, all raised to the 3 minus 1, which is 2, times the derivative of the inner function, which is x squared plus 2x plus 6. Now we want to find this part. We know that the derivative of x squared plus 2x plus 6 is equal to the derivative of the first term, the derivative of the second term, the derivative of the third term. So that will be equal to 2x plus 2 plus 0. Now we're going to plug this answer into the original one. So we will have f prime of x is equal to 3 times x squared, this part, plus 2x plus 6 all to the second power times the derivative of this, which is we found here. And that is 2x plus 2. And that will be the final answer for the first part. For the second part, we have to find f prime of 4. So to do that, we're going to replace each x with 4. So we'll say this is equal to 3 times 4 to the second power plus 2 times 4 plus 6 all to the second power times 2 times 4 plus 2. And then if you find this on Desmos, the final answer is going to be 27,000. You can find it on desmos.com. You're going to plug this expression as you see it, and it's going to compute it for you. That's the easiest way that I can think of right now, and the final answer will be 27,000.